students, how are you? Good morning. Students, I have come back again to you with your chapter. How, when and where. On the first topic we read about the history that people sometimes we feel boring, some of the children don't like history, they don't want to read history. होता है ना, हिस्ट्री पढ़ना कितना बोरिंग लगता है, हिस्ट्री पढ़ने की इच्छा नहीं होती है. रीजन आई टोल्ड यू ऑन द लास्ट lecture, I have told you in last video lecture why you don't like. We don't like because we cannot learn the date, we cannot learn the day, we cannot learn the year, we don't learn lots of names. That's why I don't like history. So on first part already I have explained you about this. Today I am going to teach you the second part. Second part is which dates. Which dates? By what was the date? What is the date? What is the importance of the date? What is the importance of the date? Why we should learn the date? Date we have to learn the past date. बीते हुए दिनों का जो डेट है वो लर्न करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस, isn't it? It is a big problem for us to learn the date. They come vital because we focus on particular set event and the things and all. ये इसलिए डिफरेंट हो जाता है क्योंकि हम पर्टिकुलर चीजों के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं. किसी ऐसी चीज पे हम फोकस करते हैं जिसका बाकी सब तो लर्न हो जाता है मगर डेट नहीं लर्न हो पाता है. लर्निंग अ डेट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. दिस इज अ बिग थिंग दैट वी हैव टू लर्न. If our focus of study changes, if we begin to look at new issues, a new set of dates will appear significant. Means अगर हम डेट को या कोई भी चीज अपेयर करते हैं या लर्न करते हैं या न्यू चीजों के बारे में जानकारी लेना चाहते हैं, वी वांट टू लर्न अबाउट अ न्यू थिंग, दिस इज द बिग बट वी वॉन्ट टू लर्न तो करने की इच्छा होती है ना कि नहीं, वी हैव टू लर्न दिस. सो इफ यू डिसाइड दैट आई कैन लर्न, आई कैन डू, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन डू. जैसा कि मैंने पहले क्या बताया था, अ पर्सन वॉज ड्रिंकिंग टी, बताया था ना कि अ पर्सन वॉज ड्रिंकिंग टी and somebody you were going and you saw somebody is drinking tea, okay, and then it has come in your mind, oh, what happened on those days? Those days people didn't have tea, then how tea has come to India? Question came in our mind. Again we saw a person who was making tea on the stall. Those days there was no tea, there was no stalls. When you were reading newspaper, you were thinking easily we are getting the news by newspaper, by TV, by radio, by different things. But those days, how the people were getting all the news? It was very difficult for them to get the news of old places. It was not possible. The same thing. You are going in train, think you are going in train, and suddenly it came in your mind, oh, what could have been happened? We are going on train. It is so easy for us. Within 2 hours we can reach to Fulera or we can go to Alwar, whatever it is. But a person when used to go by walking, to some places, it used to take long time, isn't it? The same way it is about the date. It is a big issue of the dates. Consider an example in the histories written by British historians in India. You know who have written the history? British historians who have written the history of India. A person will not from India who have written the history. History was written by British historian. That means they came, they were doing the search, they have searched, उन्होंने खोज की और उसके माध्यम से ये पता चला कि इतिहास क्या है, व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री क्या है, व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री, हाउ द हिस्ट्री हैज कम. These histories begin with the rule of first governor, General written Hastings, and ended with the last victory. Most of the thing I will like to tell you all a very simple thing. Example I am giving you. छोटा सा example मैं दे रही हूँ कि if somebody, how we came to know that there was a Akbar and he fought the battle of Panipat, Haldi Ghati. How? Because we have got all these things from historians. A person who is historian, they have collected all the things from the history. इतिहास को उन्होंने खंगाला है. So this is called the history. Now I want to tell you one thing before I will complete this lecture today. One thing you have to do, children, just you take out this chapter, what, when and how, and this chapter you have to read. You read this chapter and think what is there, and not only read, just make the questions of yourself. आप खुद से जब आप इस बुक को रीड करोगे तो आप उसमें से क्वेश्चन भी बनाओगे और उसके आंसर भी बनाओगे. So you have to make question and answer your own. And I will give you assignment. I hope you have got the one workbook also now. In workbook also I have given some work. That also you have to do. And from the book also I have made some question answers. You have to write that questions and answer. You have to write the question, answer. Is it clear? Again we will meet on Saturday with a new topic. Till this you have to read this chapter constantly. What, when and how is from starting. That history was a very sometimes history is a very good thing, but we feel like boring. Some people don't like history. What was the reason they don't like history? Because they don't want to learn the date, day, year, period, name of the person, name of the place, name of the city, name of the country, name of the things. You got it? So all the topic what on the first lecture I have given you, in second lecture I have given you. You have to learn this topic and read the book. Again I am telling you, read the book. This is a very important beta. Read the book and make yourself question answers. Okay? So till then take care. We will meet again on Saturday.